Good morning, beautiful people. Jacqueline thought that you might be interested in knowing what our morning routine looks like. So usually it's the other way around. Jacqueline stays in bed until I have to drag her out.
Oh my God. I'm just gonna cancel you right there.
We're cycling 1,000 kilometers around the entire island of Taiwan. It's currently day 4, and after taking a day off cycling yesterday to explore the city of Taichung, today we're making our way inland towards the mountains. Today's goal is to reach the town of Shuili that sits below Sun Moon Lake. It's only 60 kilometers of cycling today, but for the first time, we will be cycling uphill the whole way.
We're up this morning very early. It is, well, I mean, it's not that early, it's 10 to 7, but I was up just after 5 o'clock because some of you might not know, but actually I have a remote job, so I had to get some work done this morning. Max thought you guys might want to know what we're doing for breakfast. Because we're staying in this very affordable hotel room, it doesn't come with breakfast included. So Max yesterday went to the grocery store and he bought just peanut butter, some instant oats and bananas. And because we have a kettle and we have these travel mugs that we always use, we made some oats inside. They are better when I make them. Max makes bad oats. And when you know, you could go to the 7-Eleven and get like a sausage and cheese muffin. Anyway, we have to get ready, get packed. I'm hoping to get out of here pretty soon. We're so deep in the city, and today we're leaving the city, but it's gonna take us like 10 to 15 kilometers just to get out of the city, and the traffic lights are a nightmare. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I think the traffic's probably already started.
All right, 61 kilometers, let's go! So many street lights. At least it's a bit downhill out of the city. Well, after 10 kilometers, we sort of made it out of the city.
And it took us 1 hour because we were having to stop so much and wait for the traffic lights. So we're gonna fill up our coffee cups whilst we can and also use their bathroom. I'm also convinced that oats are the worst breakfast because we only ate like an hour and a half ago and I'm already still hungry. Let me know if you guys eat oats and get hungry so quickly. So I got one of these. I haven't tried it yet. It's tomato omelette rice, so it's like tomato flavored rice with omelette. So let's see what it tastes like. Ooh. This is really interesting because there's no like seaweed to hold the rice together like you would normally eat with onigiri, and she also heated it up for me so it's warm instead of cold. Yum. Maybe it's also just everything tastes good when you're cycling. Okay, coffee is acquired. The goal today is to ride 61 kilometers from Taichung to Shuili. The only difficulty is the rest of the way is going to be mostly uphill, and it's not a steep hill, but from looking at the map it just looks like a long slow grind. So it's good that it's only 61 kilometers because based on what we've done so far, that's actually a really short day. Wow, this is insanely busy. We are 26 kilometers in today. We've just ridden into the town of Kowtoon. We got turned down the busiest market street ever. There was so many people. We're almost at the halfway point today, and it's been not too bad. So I think we're gonna have a really cruisy day. For the first time on this trip, we actually booked our accommodation yesterday.
So we made a little break. In terms of good news, we are exactly about halfway, 30k done, 30 to go. In terms of bad news, we've done the easy half, which is flat or downhill, a little bit of uphill. But now is the hard half, which is pretty much all uphill. The fun is about to really get hard.
Honestly, it's only 10:30, so we're kind of smashing today. Tomorrow's gonna be a little bit different though. I'm excited for it. Wow, we've come off the main roads, I guess, in towns. And now we're riding through these farmlands. It's really, really beautiful. However, the sun is so hot.
Burning.
Why is it so hard? Oh my god, that was so steep.
Ali, you dawdling?
I'm tired. For real? Are there leopards? Are there leopards in Taiwan? Wow. I didn't know there were leopards here. Maybe what we're doing is actually really dangerous. Actually, it's probably more dangerous with the cars and trucks and things like that, but wow.
Jacqueline doesn't know it yet, but we're about to hit the steepest section of the day. You're doing really good, love. Doing super duper good. Sun, moonlight. Shuili Township. Whoop whoop.
All right, we've made it to town. Or to our town, 62 kilometers. And we are in Shuili. It's a very cute town. It's like nestled in the valley between all of these little mountains. Ooh, some of which we're gonna have to climb tomorrow on these bikes. So there's something to look forward to. Is this us?
One of them is ours. Number 163. Oh, that was the one.
Oh, nailed it. Well done.
Thank you. 谢谢.
So this is our room. Believe it or not, this room is like 50 Australian dollars a night, which is pretty expensive considering what we had last night for like $25.
Ow. There is no mattress in the way.
There's no mattress. I love a firm mattress. I hate a soft mattress, so I guess we have this desk. They've kindly supplied us with some water. The towels look very clean, fluffy, so that's nice. Tissues. There's a kettle. Now that's nice because we can make a coffee in the morning. And like, let's get perspective. It's not bad at all. A lot of people would be so grateful to stay in a room like this. It's more just like paying $50 a night for this when we have stayed in places in Taiwan for cheaper and much nicer. But we're in the middle of nowhere, so you get what you get and you don't get upset, is what my sister would say. Let's get out of these little nappy shorts.
Yeah.
First things first, we're gonna go get some food. What's that? What? Max just goes 6 and I was like, what? But this is what 6 means. I guess when you speak Chinese, they do the hand signals for the numbers like this is like, you know, 3. This is 6. So Max actually lived in Beijing when he was working for hotels. And he lived in Beijing for a year, so he learned a little bit. He has just randomly pulled that out, like.
What can be better than a good bowl of soup after riding 60k? But we just found out that the night market in this town is only open on Thursday. Today is Thursday, so we came on the perfect day.
This market is as local as it gets. None of the signs are translated into English. Everything is in Chinese. So we have to try sausage. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but there's something about Taiwanese sausage, and it's at every single market. There's always a sausage stand. So at some point we'll have to definitely try one. Okay, when we were in Taipei, we actually did a food tour, and our guide took us to what they call a fry shop, and we had like the yummiest little pieces of fried chicken, and I just saw this fried chicken stand here. So I don't know if it's going to be anything like it, but if it tastes anything, it was amazing. Oh my god, that's good. And they just put a tiny bit of spice on it, but I should have just said normal spice because it's actually not spicy at all. Thank you so much. It was just so nice. They gave us extra, I think, because they saw how much we were loving it.
This one.
Okay. Bye-bye.
I love that since we're daily vlogging, we almost have the camera on for everything we eat. It's good because, I mean, Taiwanese food has been amazing every time. So it's not like we're hiding anything from you guys. So this one is apparently some Italian parsley something. That's what the Google translation said. I don't know. I think there's chicken, corn, there's eggs, definitely there's a slice of cheese, and there's a really well-made bun that the husband's doing and putting a lot of love in it. You know, let me try it. It doesn't feel too hot for one, so I can actually bite it. Oh, and she did put a lot of shakes.
It looks like parmesan.
It is parmesan. I can smell it, yeah. So it's good still. Simple. I don't think it's very Taiwanese, so I'm sorry, guys. But it's delicious.
See?
How much is that?
6. Yes, you give.
60 though.
Yeah, 60. But she did it, and I understood the sign language. That was so cool. That is the first time, and it's so timing that she gave the little 6 signal, and I knew what she meant. The store over there, they had a line earlier when we walked past it, and she was baking these like purple-looking pancakes. And then we translated the sign, and it was saying that it's like medicinal potato cake, it's good for your health and all of this. So we thought we would try one.
Whoa, that is purple.
It's so purple. I mean, it smells like potato. I don't know if it's like a purple sweet potato and that's why it's that color, but it's a weird flavor to it. But I don't know what that flavor is because I've never had it before. It tastes like a very grassy herb in there or something. Oh, that's weird. It's just an interesting flavor that I've never experienced before. But I will eat the whole thing. Oh, okay. Alright, I just saw these interesting little jelly bowl desserts. So the lady's just given me just a couple to try. Oh, yum. Yeah, they're just like jelly. Oh, and she gave me some sort of little creamy thing as well. Cookies and cream jelly, if you can imagine that. Yeah, that was really good.
So for our last course of the night, another sweet thing.
Yum. It tastes like peanut brittle.
Um,
It's like a crumbly cookie.
mm.
So in total at that night market, we tried quite a few things and we spent 335 Taiwanese dollars. So very, very affordable. But definitely bring your Google Translate because everything is in Chinese and you won't know what you're ordering. But I guess that's kind of the fun of it as well.
We've got an exciting day tomorrow. We need a good amount of rest.
Another
So,
big day.
we're going up the mountain tomorrow.
Yeah. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye guys.